Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special in store for all you knife enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the Kershaw Interstellar Pocket Knife, a manual OTF Tonto blade with serrations, featuring a unique design and practical features that make it stand out in the market. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know why this is one of the best OTF knives available.
First things first, let's talk about the design.
The Kershaw Interstellar boasts an eye-catching blackwash finish with a glass-filled nylon handle that not only looks great but also provides a comfortable and secure grip. The black oxide-coated sliding button adds to its aesthetic appeal. Now, let's get to the heart of this knife, the blade. The 8CR13 Mo-V blade is not only sharp right out of the box but also easy to re-sharpen when needed. The Tonto point design with serrations makes it a versatile tool, perfect for tasks like carving and slicing. Whether you're using it for everyday tasks or more demanding situations, the Kershaw Interstellar has got you covered. Its manual out the front opening with a sliding mechanism and button lock ensures smooth and secure deployment. But wait, there's more. This knife is not just about cutting. It's also equipped with a built-in bottle opener integrated into the backspacer. It's a handy feature for those impromptu moments when you need to crack open a cold one. Another feature that sets this knife apart is the single-position, deep carry pocket clip. It allows for a subtle and comfortable carry in your pocket, ensuring that it's always within reach when you need it. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Kershaw Interstellar is designed for adult users and can handle a wide range of tasks, making it an ideal EDC option. To sum it up, the Kershaw Interstellar Pocket Knife is not just a knife. It's a versatile tool that combines style with functionality. With its unique design, sharp blade, integrated bottle opener, and deep pocket clip, it's a must-have for anyone looking for a reliable and practical OTF knife. So, if you're in the market for the best OTF knife that won't break the bank, look no further than the Kershaw Interstellar. And that's a wrap for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.